In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Zoho Books for 2025. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or just need a refresher, by the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to generate and send invoices with ease. Let's dive in. To begin with, open your web browser and head over to the Zoho Books dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub, where all the magic starts. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll notice a variety of sections to choose from. For our purpose today, let's focus on the sales section located on the left-hand side of your screen. Give sales a click. This section houses all sales-related activities, and it's where we'll find the invoices. Upon clicking Sales, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll see several options, but your focus should be on invoices. Go ahead and click on Invoices. This will direct you to the page where you can view all your previous invoices. But today, we're interested in creating a new one. To create a fresh slate, look towards the top right-hand corner of your screen where you'll spot the option labeled New Invoice. Click on that and you'll be taken to a more detailed invoice creation form. At this point, you might want to double check all your client details are handy. You'll find yourself on a new page to fine-tune the invoice details. You'll see a button labeled Save and Continue. Go ahead and click that to ensure you have room to make adjustments if necessary without losing any progress so far. Next, input the necessary information starting with your customer name. Selecting the appropriate customer is crucial as it ensures the invoice goes to the right recipient. Immediately following that, focus on the invoice/field. The invoice number is generally auto-generated but can be edited to suit your internal numbering system. Now proceed to the order number box. If your customer provided an order number, this is where it should be entered. It's particularly handy for reference, avoiding any potential confusion later about which transaction this invoice corresponds to. Shift your attention to the invoice date. This will typically auto-populate with today's date, but manual adjustment is possible if necessary, either to match delivery timelines or for accounting purposes. As you scroll down, identify the salesperson section. Selecting the correct salesperson can help in commission tracking and maintain accountability. Ensure this is filled out correctly. You'll also come across a box labeled Subject. This should be a brief description of the invoice's purpose, a simple yet effective note that helps convey information at a glance. Moving further down, there's the item table. This is where you'll list all the products or services provided. Make sure to fill in the details accurately to avoid discrepancies and potential disputes. Finally, once you've reviewed all the details and double check for accuracy, you can click Save and Send. This action generates the invoice and sends it directly to your client's email, streamlining the billing process and ensuring timely payment. And there you have it. Creating an invoice in Zoho Books for 2025 is as simple as following these steps. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more helpful tutorials.